Subscribe to Semper BK Reactions.
Stand your ground state or not, you can't just shoot somebody because you're scared. Semper BK Reactions family, what's good? I'm reporting live from Kingston, Jamaica. I'm uptown though. Anybody who know about Jamaica, I'm uptown. Not too far from Knoxford Boulevard, but I'm here live in Kingston City. You know what I'm saying? But yo, it don't matter where we at. You know what I'm saying? Semper BK Reactions, we gonna react. Bars. Listen, if this is your first time here, yo, I really appreciate you. I don't know how you found my YouTube page. I say it all the time. The YouTube gods, the algorithm, whatever it is, I appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoy, you take something away from it. And if so, please like, comment, share. Subscribe. And to my returning viewers, subscribers, yo, much appreciation to you. You know what I'm saying? I told you, I give you that Marine Corps knife hand love. I appreciate you returning, but please do the same thing. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that. Today's reaction, family, we out of, it ain't Miami, but I'm quite sure it's Broward County. It was in the news. You know, I'm just reacting to it. It's a real sticky situation from my perspective. You know, with my experience, it just seemed like it's a real sticky one. Again, it's out of Florida. If you don't know, Florida's the stand your ground state. We're gonna get into a little bit of that. But this one is, you know, it's kind of sticky and someone lost their life. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. Let's get into this first. Semper BK Reactions. Hold up. Yo, did you tell the people to go over to semperbkclothing.com? Come on, dog. Listen, I need y'all right now to go over to semperbkclothing.com. I guarantee you're going to see something over there that you like. I mean, I got stuff for kids. I got stuff for the women. I got stuff for working out. I got everything you think you could possibly want and or need on this website. And then check it out. Check this out. I'm also offering you a promo code. Use promo code SemperBK Reactions at checkout. So once again, do me a favor. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that. Like I said, this one is out of Broward County. I'm sorry. No, Dade. It's out of Dade County, I believe. You know Dade, Broward, they border each other. But again, I got two videos to show you. So let's get into the first one. And after the second one, I'm going to give the full reaction. All right, let's get into it.
Life-threatening injuries after a shooting in a Walmart parking lot. CBS News Miami's Nakia Kerr is your reporter live in North Lauderdale tonight, and that's where those shots were fired in the middle of the day, Nakia.
That's right, Jim. BSO says that man was found here in this Walmart parking lot off McNabb Road with a gunshot wound. One man we spoke to says he was shocked to drive up and see his Walmart parking lot covered in crime scene tape.
I was walking up, I heard a lady screaming. You know, she was screaming and she was saying a lot of things.
BSO says a 911 call came in for a shooting in the Walmart parking lot around 12:28 p.m. When deputies arrived on scene, they found a man with a gunshot wound. Chopper 4 captured deputies walking with a woman whose hands were handcuffed behind her back. Deputies say one person was detained, but did not confirm if it was the woman in the video. A customer who arrived after the shooting told us what he heard from an employee inside of the store.
He told me, oh, there was this gentleman approached her and he kept making advances at her. And she kept saying, look, I'm not interested. Back up, look, I'm not interested. And I guess she got scared. And he said that when she got scared, she took out a gun and she shot him.
Not identified the person detained or the man shot. We do know that North Lauderdale Fire Rescue transported that man to the hospital with a life-threatening injury. Reporting live in North Lauderdale.
All right, so that one didn't give us too much. The next one is going to give us a lot more. But I will say this, stand your ground state or not, you can't just shoot somebody because you're scared. You know, if you know, oh, he scared me. You can't. You got to really articulate your reason for using deadly force. But again, let's get into the second one. Got a lot more details. Let's get into that second one.
Morning, the ongoing investigation into a deadly confrontation in Florida. A parking space dispute turning deadly outside of Walmart. 62-year-old.
Hey, hold up. parking space dispute. Yo, somebody up out of here over a parking spot. I'm not saying anybody's right or wrong. Again, let's get through all of it. I say it all the time. A lot of people, they react to these videos and the videos start immediately as force is being used and they're making a judgment call. But let's watch it all the way through. But it's just hearing it, right? The optics of it's a parking space, shots being fired and somebody lose their life. It's crazy.
Bart Diguglielmo shot and killed.
Female shot someone outside in the parking lot. Both out there were fighting over a parking spot.
Authorities say the altercation started about 5 minutes earlier, with the two drivers fighting over a parking spot. Diguglielmo then parked his car, partially blocking the spot, and walked into the store. Witnesses say the woman then managed to slip into the spot anyway. The woman is then seen getting out of her car, phone in one hand, gun in the other, yelling at Diguglielmo, who appears to be yelling back. He's then seen walking toward her as she points the gun at him. She backs up several times, gun leveled. She retreats around the car. He follows. An eyewitness says the woman repeatedly warned him she'll shoot if he keeps coming at her. He appears to leave, but then quickly returns. And then she opens fire, shooting Diguglielmo. Police then take the woman into custody. Officials say she claims she was acting in self-defense. Now, that woman is no longer in custody, and the shooting is under current investigation. Prosecutors will have to decide what charges, if any at all, are warranted. Really, guys, it's just a question of, is this self-defense or not?
And that's the question. Is this self-defense? So before I get into my reaction on it, my take on it, we're going to get right into Florida's Stand Your Ground statute. So we see it here. Florida's Stand Your Ground law allows individuals to use or threaten deadly force in self-defense without retreating first, provided they are in a place they have a legal right to be and are not engaged in criminal activity. The law expands traditional self-defense rules by removing the historical common duty to... All right, yeah, so Florida, we know there's no duty to retreat. My thing about this, right? The thing that stands out to me is the fact that she got out of her car with the gun. I think there's where she's gonna face some tough questions from prosecutors. And personally, I feel like she may be charged because her getting out of your vehicle, you getting out of your vehicle and already having a firearm in your hand, it's essentially, it's like you are causing that deadly force situation, right? Because I personally feel like maybe, who's to say, the man may not have reacted the way he did had you not came out with the firearm. But I don't know, honestly, this one is tricky. Just because she was released, I'm guessing on bail, doesn't mean that, she won't be charged further. I just feel like, again, her getting out of the vehicle with the firearm in her hand, it's like she was provoking a situation. I personally don't think that this one is going to end good for her. Again, regardless of Florida being the stand your ground state, it appears to me, yeah, I see the gentleman, moving towards her, but there's not too much aggression from the male. And yeah, she doesn't have a duty to retreat if you can articulate that you feel like you're in imminent fear, your life is in imminent danger. But her casually walking around, and yeah, she was backing up. But I'm telling you, you see, I even have the tone of I don't know. And this one is tricky. This one is tricky, and it's Florida, man. You know what I'm saying? Florida, like Georgia, like our southern states, like Texas, where, yeah, there's no duty to retreat. So essentially, she didn't even have to back up. If she felt like her life was threatened, she could use deadly force. But looking at that video, especially the second one we saw, personally, I just don't see that. We can't hear what's being said. We don't know what he's saying to her. But I'm telling you, her getting out that vehicle with her firearm in hand, it don't look good. It's not like she got out of the vehicle and they engaged in some sort of, some verbal altercation. Something was said. He made some quick movement towards her, and she felt like she needed to draw her firearm. But nah, she came out with it essentially like, what you say? You know what I mean? Like what's up? You know, so Simple BK reaction, family, up to this one I just don't know. I don't know. It's Florida, it's tricky. But I want to follow this one because I want to see what happens. I want to see if she gets charged. And actually, you know what? If I find out any information, I'm gonna include it at the end of this video. But I'll tell you this. And again, listen to me. Personally, my reaction to this has nothing to do with color. I don't care who is black, who is white. I don't care about none of that. Right? I'm not even looking at none of that. This is will race play a part in this? More than likely. Right? But to be fair, and earlier I made a mistake. I said it was Dade. This is Broward County, right? Extremely diverse part of Florida, just like Dade, right? So will race come into play? Probably. But I don't think, you know, there's going to be any extra sauce put on her because she's black and she shot a white man. Personally, I don't think that. Will race play a part in this? Absolutely, I believe so. But again, I said it about 50 times already. I think where she's going to be in some sort of trouble or the DA is going to be looking at her sideways, you came out your vehicle with a firearm. It's like you were ready. It's like you were looking for problems. So we'll see. Again, I'm going to look it up further. I'm going to do some more research on it to see what's going on with the case. And if I know anything else, I'm going to put it on the end of the video, okay? Do me a favor. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out some of my other videos and also go over to semperbkclothing.com. Go over to my website. I guarantee you're going to find something you like. And I also got a promo code for you all. The promo code is SemperBKReactions, all right? One word, one love. And in Jamaica, as we say, little more, because I'm in Jamaica right now. So, little more.